Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the video. So today I'm just doing a little unboxing of the Howling, the box set that Studio Canal put out. This one came out a little while ago, but I just picked it up and got a good deal on it on Amazon. Thought I'd do a little unboxing. Comes with some little extra features. So yeah, let's get to it. Just gonna crack open the seal outside there. Just take the edge off. Yeah, I just like to take the edge off these box sets along here, and then yeah, it just pretty much keeps it like new. So yeah, there's here's your box. That's your artwork on the front and on the back. Got a little scene from the film. Special features. So yeah, it's collector's edition booklet. Sort of shot from the film there. Sorry about the glare there. Can't see anything. Yeah, I've seen this film a couple of times. Really enjoyed it. That's why I picked up the this 40th anniversary edition. So what was that at the back there? Creature designs, the Frankenstein complex. I think that film's included with this. So yeah, let's go ahead. See what else we get here. We get a poster. Same as the artwork on the front. Still very nice. It's the same as what you get at the front of the box. So yeah, you get your art cards or your movie cards or whatever. Let's just go ahead and try and get it off. I believe that's D. Wallace there. Yep. Turning into a werewolf. Forgotten his name. It's a wicked photo there. That looks awesome. Yeah, that is good. Another wicked shot there. Try not to get the glare in there. Back to the start. So yeah, moving on. So yeah, you do get. So you got your 4K Ultra. Let's have a look at the artwork we got underneath these discs. Try and get it out. So 4K Ultra HD disc. That's one side. With D. Wallace underneath. It was a nightmare to get off. Your Blu-ray, I believe. Yep, Blu-ray. And then at the end you got the. I really need to watch this. Creature designers, the Frankenstein complex. I believe this is a documentary. Yeah, really looking forward to watching that. So yeah, really nice artwork in the behind the discs there. D. Wallace, werewolf, and that guy, I forget his name. Really nice artwork there. Really nice addition to the movie. Go ahead, pop these back in. Really nice addition. Yeah, I managed to get this one on sale for like £29. Yeah, I haven't watched this yet. This is a DVD. Yeah, I believe it's a documentary creating the practical effects and everything for the film, which sounds flipping awesome. Yeah, and your movie cards there, really nice. Yeah, it's a really nice addition the film, and yeah, definitely a film that deserves the special treatment. An absolute classic, and if you're thinking about picking it up, I highly recommend it. Really nice addition. And this poster, absolutely awesome. Can't wait to probably get a frame for that. Probably put that up on the wall. And your collector's edition booklet. Yeah, you really do get a lot for your money with this edition. So, really glad I picked this one up. And yeah, highly recommend. Anyone else is thinking about getting it, I'll definitely go for it. You won't be disappointed. That'll conclude the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.